Calcium carbide powder ball press machine is mainly used for calcium carbide powder particles. Calcium carbide powder, calcium carbide particles of ball and block making. The equipment structure is reasonable, smooth operation, low energy consumption, vulnerable parts, roller selection of high-quality high-chromium alloy steel forgings, after strict heat treatment and fine machining, with high-strength performance, and easy to take off the ball and ball size and shape, can be according to user requirements or use to customize the processing. The main structure has the transmission system, the main frame, reducer, belt conveyor, preloading device, the corresponding position of the ball groove of the roller sleeve, hydraulic system and electronic control and other parts are composed of the electric stone powder ball press. Adopts screw feeding device. Screw feeding device is driven by the speed regulating motor, driven by the belt wheel reducer. The material is forced into the feed port. The electric stone powder ball press has protection device. Not only can protect the normal operation of the machine, at the same time can protect the machine operator.